Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffin batter. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. This includes flour, sugar, eggs, milk, and oil, along with mixing bowls and a muffin tin. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius to ensure it's ready when your batter is mixed. Using fresh ingredients is key for delicious muffins, so check expiration dates before you begin. This preparation makes the entire process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's tackle the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Don't forget to add half a teaspoon of salt. It really helps to balance the sweetness and enhance the overall flavor of your muffins. Whisking these thoroughly ensures that the leavening agents are evenly distributed, which is crucial for a consistent rise and texture in every bite. This step is simple but vital. Now let's prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate, medium-sized bowl, whisk 1 large egg until it's light and frothy. Then, gently stir in 3/4 of a cup of milk and 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. For an extra layer of flavor and a wonderful aroma, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once combined, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix just until everything is moistened. Overmixing can lead to tough muffins, so be gentle here. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious muffins. Carefully spoon the batter into your prepared muffin liners, filling each about 2/3 full. This prevents them from overflowing during baking. Place the muffin tin into your preheated oven and bake for 18 to 22 minutes, or until they are golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool slightly before enjoying. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, including a way to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the links in the description below. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.